How blockchain and NFTs are revolutionizing the food and gastronomy world. The world of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, is entering the realm of virtual food, creating new opportunities for food creators and offering unique gastronomic experiences for consumers. Let's remember that these NFTs are unique and non-interchangeable digital tokens, which can be used to represent ownership of a digital or physical asset. In the world of virtual food, NFTs can be used to sell and buy digital foods and beverages, but also recipes, creating a new market for food creators. NFTs and virtual food. The advantages of virtual food are numerous. Firstly, virtual food offers new opportunities for food creators who can sell their products in a global market without the physical limitations of the real world, and thus purchase real dishes through these NFTs. Moreover, virtual food can offer unique gastronomic experiences for consumers who can experience new flavors and combinations of ingredients in virtual environments. For example, consider using the same NFT that we received when we bought a takeaway from a restaurant and using it as a tool for offers, discounts, and exclusive experiences. Blockchain and short supply chain. Blockchain can be used to promote the short supply chain and sustainable agriculture, connecting producers directly with consumers. The short supply chain is a food production and distribution model that aims to reduce the number of intermediaries between producers and consumers, promoting greater transparency and sustainability in the food supply chain. The advantages of the short supply chain are numerous. Firstly, the short supply chain can contribute to reducing the environmental impact of food production and distribution, promoting sustainable agricultural practices and reducing the carbon emissions associated with product transport. In addition, the short supply chain can help support local communities, providing local producers with direct access to the market and promoting job creation and economic growth in rural communities. It can also help strengthen consumer trust in food products, providing greater transparency and traceability in the food supply chain. NFTs and culinary intellectual property. Various NFTs can be used to protect intellectual property in the food world, creating new earning opportunities for food creators and ensuring greater transparency and security in intellectual property. These NFTs can be used to represent ownership of recipes, culinary techniques, food products, and other intellectual property in the food world. Here are some examples of how these NFTs can be used to protect intellectual property in the food world. First, recipes. Food creators can use these NFTs to protect the intellectual property of their recipes, creating an immutable and transparent record of intellectual property, but also sharing their created recipes. Second, culinary techniques. Food creators can use these NFTs to protect the intellectual property of their culinary techniques, being able to insert additional information inside the NFTs, the so-called unlockable NFTs. Third, food products. Similarly, particular products or those using specific seeds or techniques could provide knowledge and access only to holders of these particular NFTs. Conclusions. Blockchain and various NFTs are revolutionizing the world of food and gastronomy, creating new opportunities for producers, food creators, and consumers. Blockchain is promoting traceability and food safety, while NFTs are creating new opportunities for virtual food and intellectual property in the food world. Moreover, blockchain is promoting the short supply chain and sustainable agriculture, contributing to reducing the environmental impact of food production and distribution. With the increasing adoption of these technologies, we expect to see more and more innovations and changes in the world of food and gastronomy. If you are fascinated by how blockchain and NFTs are transforming the world and want to know more, you can't miss this exclusive video. Click now to find out more about this revolution and stay up to date on the latest trends and innovations in the sector.